right, watch me put together the skin and bones of an Infusionsoft campaign to run a 7-day challenge in under 7 minutes. Okay, here we go. This is going to be called our 7-day challenge. I do not have a category to add it to, so we're just going to click save. All right, bare bones, here we go. First thing we're going to start off with is a web form submission. This will be a free challenge. They are going to join by joining our web form. After they join our web form, we want them to get tagged and we want them to get on our email confirmation list. We're going to connect both of these things. And then after, let's actually say they're going to get tagged here. One thing I want to do here is add in my double opt-in tag as well. So let me just put that in there. Okay, and then after they get tagged for the challenge, I actually want them to be assigned a salesperson. So I'm going to say assign a salesperson here. Assign to a sales lead. Then we're going to tag it to that particular lead. And then after that, I want them to get to a confirmation email. And then after that, I want one more box here that's going to hold them until the day of challenge. So we're going to put hold till day of challenge reminders. Okay, if you want more reminders than that, you'd of course add those in as well. So it's been 1 minute, 50 seconds, and we've just built the entire skin and bones skeleton of this campaign from start to finish. So then what we would do is we would just go in and edit all this information. So email confirmation request is actually already in there. You're just going to turn this on. This is one of my clients. I'll block out that information, but all you need to do is turn it from draft to ready and then go back out. Then it holds here in this campaign for 3 days, or in this segment for 3 days until they get the double opt-in tag, and that will remove them from this campaign. So go ahead and put in view and apply the double opt-in tag, and then click on save, and then change it from draft to ready. Go back out. Let's set up our web form submission. We want this to ask for first name, last name. So we're going to put insert or format snippets. Where is it at? Field snippets. We're going to add in a second name, which this one is going to be our last name, and then click save. And then actually I like to do a phone number, not required, right? Required is off, and then save. All right, that's all we need to do here besides add in our thank you page URL. I don't really have that right now, so I'm going to actually leave this one blank. We're going to change it from draft to ready. Once we get the thank you page set up where we want them to go after they opt in, you're going to come here and you're going to add it to the web address here, right? Okay, so I'm going to go back out, and then we can grab our code here when we're ready to use the code. Going back out. All right, I want them tagged as a challenge, so they're going to come through this box. We're going to say tag. I'll just put challenge. I don't have any tags set up for this, but we'll just say it's this, and then click on save. Turn it from draft to ready. That one's good to go. Then there's this little box right here, which is a decision diamond, which makes a decision after they opt in, where we want them to go. We have 2 boxes connected. Then we would make a decision in the decision diamond that will help direct the traffic where we need it to go. So I'm going to go ahead and click on view and edit. Rules for getting tagged. I want everybody to get tagged, so I'm not going to add a rule there. Rules for email confirmation. I'm going to click here and I'm going to add a rule. It's going to say if the contacts tags does not contain double opt-in, I want them to go through the email confirmation request. And that's all there is to do here. Go back out, assign a sales lead. We're just going to put in here, assign an owner, view and edit, assign using the round robin. I'm going to do the live launch round robin, ignore existing contacts that are already assigned, click on save, change it from draft to ready. We're under 5 minutes. Let's go. Woo! Tag to the lead owner. So we're going to apply a tag. We're going to view and edit, apply. Owner tag would be, I'm just going to say it's David, right? Whoever it is, take it from draft to ready. Next step, let's go confirmation email. This is like a confirmation/welcome email. So you have two options here. You could do a more fancy email builder, or you can do a basic email message. I'm just going to do basic for this one. Title it welcome plus confirmation email. I always spell that wrong. Confirmation. Then we would in here put in our emails, right? I don't have an email to put in here right now, but there's some samples you could use. I usually use simple text for this. Or you can go through my templates and pull one of your templates that you've already set up and then change the wording. That's all you need to do here. Then move it from draft to ready once it's in. And then the last thing we are going to do is hold till the day of timer. So this challenge is actually not going to start until Monday, let's say December 11th it starts at 10, so we want it to go out at 9 a.m., right? And this will be a 1 hour reminder. 1 hour reminder. So then what you're going to do is, if it's a 7-day challenge, you're going to move this to the next day, 12/12, 9 a.m. Then you're going to do a 1 hour reminder. And then we're going to go and let me do day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7. Then we're going to add in these, and I'm just controlling and dragging the box. Control, drag the box, right? That's all you got to do here. And add one here. And we are at 7 minutes. Once all these are changed and up and running, nope, forgot an email. Boop. So it goes timer, email, timer, email, timer, email, timer, email, timer, email. And then you just add one timer per each of the 7 days. And then you change your 1 hour reminder to be like day 1 reminder, day 2 reminder, day 3 reminder. And that's all you need to do. Once that's in place, change this from draft to ready. That's all you got to do. Now that this is all in place, we would just click on publish, then take our web form, put it on our website, and we are good to go, bare bones, running a challenge with Infusionsoft and KEAP.